How to use LMS on Guruskoolz app. App is only available on Android phone. Go to Play Store on your phone. Type Guruskoolz, Guruskoolz, and click on search. Click on the app and install it. Now open the Guruskoolz app from your phone. Type username. It can be your phone number or email ID which you have given to Guruskoolz for LMS. Type password which we have shared with you personally. Click on login. This will be the app home screen. Click on the three lines at the top. Now click at document. Click on Entrepreneurship. On this document panel, you can see videos, manuals and study materials. Other important documents as well. This was for using Guruskoolz LMS on Android phone through app. Now we will see how to use LMS on laptop and desktop using browser. We have shared with you the URL, that is https://elearners.guruskoolz.com. Copy that and paste it here and not at Google search, and then click enter. Now click at login. Type username. It can be your phone number or email ID which you have given to Guruskoolz or LMS. Type password which we have shared with you personally. Click on login and now click here on dashboard. This will be the home screen. Now click on documents. Click on entrepreneurship. On this document panel, you can see videos, YouTube videos, manuals, ebooks and study materials. Other important documents which you can download as well. Here you can see your profile. Whenever you log out, keep this important point in mind. When you log in again, use the same URL, that is https://elearners.guruskoolz.com. Copy that and paste at the top. Rest follow the same process. Happy learning!